Carefully cut through the tape and open the box from the top. Remember, you'll be reusing the box to ship the system back to us. Please save all packaging. We include an inventory sheet and QR codes for accessing our tutorial videos and frequently asked questions resource. Go ahead and stick the included return label over the original label on the top of the box. We wrap the sensors loosely around the Z-Amp and enclose them in a cloth bag. Please use this bag to store the Z-Amp and sensors when not in use. Do not use plastic bags, zip ties, rubber bands, or anything else, as these may crimp wires or tarnish sensors. The power cord and USB cable also ship in cloth bags for storage. One jar of 1020 paste lasts about 50 sessions. Limited session plans ship with 1 jar. If you chose the unlimited session plan, we ship 2 jars. If you need additional paste at any time during your rental, please let us know. The laptop ships in a black neoprene sleeve. We include 1 set of earbuds for convenience. You can use your own earbuds or headphones if you prefer, and you can also simply use the laptop speakers. Bluetooth headphones are just fine to use as well. If you are using your own headphones, please keep in mind that the conductive paste may stick to them. You can use rubbing alcohol, baby wipes, or even a damp paper towel to clean up the paste on headphones. Please note the informational sticker located on the inside bottom of the box. When it's time to return the system, make sure you watch the video for repacking instructions. Do not place any items at the bottom of the box as there is no padding here and damage can occur during shipment. We will send a due date reminder with a link to the repacking video a few days before your due date. If you are ready to get started, please watch our next video about how to set up the NeurOptimal system.